It's a birdie, Mia.
Birdie, hi.
It's a birdie. Hi, birdies. A birdie just went flying and hit the window really hard. It's opening its eyes, so that's good. Nice to the birdie. The birdie is hurt, I think. Yeah, it's a birdie. No, touch the birdie. Birdie. No, griten. Baby birdie.
Mama birdie.
Where's Mama Birdie? I don't know where Mama Birdie is. Mia, don't scream at the birdie. Don't scream at the birdie. Okay, no screaming. The bird is probably freaking out right now. No, Naomi. Come on, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's leave the birdie alone. Come on. Come on. Birdie. Birdie. Muy bien. Birdie. The birdie will not move. It hit itself. Yeah, Mia. Yeah, birdies. You okay, birdie? Be careful with the birdie. Birdie. You okay, birdie? You okay? You gotta leave the birdie alone. I think it's coming. Okay, Mia, no scream. No scream at the birdie. Birdie, muy bien. You want to give the birdie food? Okay, ven para adentro. Come on. Okay, we'll give the birdie food. Yeah, we're going to give the birdie food.